This is a 1956 Ford Thunderbird at Maclay Motors. Such a beautiful cream color. Continental package with a spare tire on the back for greater weight distribution. This car is also running a 312 cubic inch displacement motor. A little more rare factory option. I don't remember if it was for 215 or 245 horsepower. This is a beautiful car. Has a matching cream hard top with the portholes on the side. Also a dark brown, same color as the seats, dark brown soft top. As you can see, this interior is in really nice shape. This is a great running car. We came out here to Maclay Garden, so it'd be a little more quiet. You can hear the motor run without a lot of background noise. Anyway, this car can be found at www.maclaymotors.org or give us a call, 1-850-877-2600.